Hello everyone, welcome to Aileen Bite Tips. 大家好，欢迎来到艾琳食艺。Today we're making Taiwanese pork bun, 水煎包. This is a very popular dish in Taiwanese night market. Every time I visit night market, the must-get item is 水煎包. The outside dough is sweet and chewy, and inside filling with pork and cabbage is very juicy and tender. The combination is just so amazing. Let's get started. Okay, first let's prepare the dough. We use 6 grams of the instant yeast and add the same portion of warm water. Okay, mix them together. Okay, prepare a big bowl. Add 500 grams of all-purpose flour and 10 grams of vegetable oil, 20 grams of powdered sugar, 250 grams of water, and then add the yeast with water mixture inside. Mix them well until it becomes a dough. Okay, put it inside and use a film to cover it. Okay, and set it aside for 1 hour. Okay, while we're waiting for the dough to expand, let's make the filling. Use the ginger, peel it off. Okay, let's slice it first, and then we are going to chop it. Okay, finally chopped it like this, and put it in a bowl. Okay, cut the green onion head away and chop it. Okay, and then chop the cabbage. Okay, add 1 pound of ground pork into a bowl. Okay, and add half tablespoon of ginger. Also add the chopped green onion and add the chopped cabbage. Okay, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and white pepper powder, half tablespoon. Okay, let's mix them together with the same direction. Okay, and add 3 tablespoons of water. Okay, keep mixing until the ground pork gets sticky. Okay, this is the final looks of the filling. After 1 hour, the dough is ready. Take out the dough. Okay, cut into 50 grams each. small dough. 50. Okay, the final will be like this, and then pick one small ball. Okay, press down and use a roller to roll into a big flat circle. Okay, and then we can fill in the filling. Okay, put it on your hand. It's around 2 tablespoons. Okay, let's close it like this. First one is done. Okay, keep going with the rest. Alright, so all the pork bun is ready to cook. Add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour and mix with 1 tablespoon water. Okay, mix well. We will use the flour water to cook our pork bun. Mix until you cannot see the. Use a pan. Turn on the heat to the medium heat and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Then we can add the pork bun and add the flour water inside. Okay, cover with the lid. Okay, turn the heat to the low medium heat. Okay, let it cook until the bottom turns golden brown. So it takes about 8 minutes. Okay. After the water is almost out, okay, sprinkle some black sesame. This is optional. You can see, yeah, it's ready to serve. Let's flat our pork bun on a plate. Hey, yes. Take one on plate. You can add some spicy sauce and sweet soy sauce. Okay. Alright, so this is today's Taiwanese pork bun, 水煎包. It smells really good, just like you are at the night market and waiting to get one. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget to click the notification bell. See you next time!